Hello, Tom from Every Step Calculus, EveryStepPhysics.com. Another video on mean value theorem. I like to do 3 or 4 videos on each subject so you can see how versatile my programs are and how they would answer any function you might put in that the professors might come up with for your test. Index 8 to get to my menu. We're going to scroll to mean value theorem here. We're going to enter our function. You have to press alpha first. Remember that in my programs, okay? Alpha 2 times the square root of x over the interval of alpha 4 and alpha 9. You can see these are all set-up problems. They would never happen in real life, but that's calculus. Calculus and algebra, one of the most worthless math subjects after 25 years of studying this stuff. Solves nothing relevant to anything. And but we have to pass our tests and get through calculus, so that's where my programs come in handy, very handy, and they're only one of a kind. Khan Academy can't compete with it. Wolfram Maths can't compete with it. Patrick JMT cannot compete with it, because those are all in your computer trying to teach you how to do this stuff. I show you and give you a visual step-by-step procedure for solving these problems. And this calculator fits in your purse or your school bag. So what's not to like about them? Okay, anyways, let's do it. I always show you what you've entered. You can change it if you want. I say it's okay. Here's the formula for the mean value theorem. And we're going to find f of a first, which is f of 4, the upper limit, or lower limit, I guess, and then that turns out to be 4 when we compute it with the function. And we're entering, you know, the 9 here, which is the upper value, into all the values for x in the function. Here's 2 to the square root of x, okay, but if we put 9 in there and we've computed, turns out to be 6. Isn't that convenient? And of course 9 by minus 4, which is part of the formula, has to be computed too. So we do that in steps. Then we go back to the problem and I show you what we've done, computing those, f of b, f of a, etc., and b minus a. And it turns out to be 2/5. Now we solve for c. First we get the function, we do the derivative of it, 1 over square root of x. We substitute c for x here, and we get, which is equal to 2/5, and we solve for c, and c then turns out to be 25/4. So the answer is 25 over 4, or approximately 6.25. This is a number in between the area under the curve that we're finding with the integral. So go to my site, buy my programs, and pass calculus. Well worth the money. Much more value than buying a pizza or a beer at the bar that you're going to tonight. So enjoy my programs. They're the greatest, okay? Have a good one.